Hello, my name is Jesse Jaramillo. I'm a signal integrity engineer with Amphenol Assemblytech. Assemblytech is a division of Amphenol that focuses on inside-the-box high-speed digital cable assembly. Today we're showing a demo that is the MCIO Gen7 PCIe channel. We have it connected along with a chem slot riser card, and we have a SerDes from our partner Alpha Wave Semi, and it's a Gen7 128 gigabit per second channel that we're demonstrating a PAM4I as well as a bit error rate that you see in the screen. And what I'd like to tell you about our MCIO Gen7 is that it's backwards compatible mechanically to the previous generations, the Gen 6, Gen 5, Gen 4. So you can take this cable assembly, this form factor, and mate it back to the previous generations. What they'll do is it'll bring your channel up to the most current bandwidth generation of Gen 7, 128 gigabit per second, with minimal form factor mechanical adjustments to either the footprint or the pocket size, the real estate. So your host board will have minimal dimensional changes to accommodate your next generation, doubling the bandwidth to 128 PAM4. So we're really excited about our MCIO Gen7 cable assembly. This is a 1 meter cable assembly with 30 gauge twin axe, straight plugs and vertical receptacles on the SI test board. And also I wanted to mention that we're also showing some alternate solutions for PCIe Gen 5, 6, 7 here. So if you can stop by and take a look at our offerings, I'll be happy to walk you through what we have. We have quite a bit of options, and they're augmenting all the PCIe channels, so you can do a chem slot, cableized chem slot for, again, Gen 5, 6, and 7, and as well as several other form factors, the multi-track OCP interconnects, MCIOs. We have them on display, and I'll be happy to talk to you about the different options, the different types of custom solutions that you may need for your applications, as well as something that we may already have tooled. We're very happy to work with our customers in the IT datacom server industry, and we look forward to hearing from you and work with you closely with either something that you already have developed and going or something new. We look forward to being your design partners in any of these high-speed channel in-the-box cable assembly solutions and interconnects. We also have power harnesses, and we know that with AI and servers that are coming up in the industry, there's a big demand for maximizing the wattage of cable assembly. So we have some special features that are producing a little bit more capability from our historical power. And we have a very custom-made, totally new way of carrying more power. This is definitely way past the traditional. It's called peak power, so we would be so happy to talk to you about this and how we can better serve your power needs. Thank you for your time to listening to what we have to offer, and please know that we look forward to hearing from you, and nothing makes us more happy to talk to you about our solutions and how we can best produce a win-win situation where we can build something that meets your needs and is cost effective, and we can move forward, and we provide the best customer service out in the industry. Thank you very much.